Good day to my future employer. My name is Marisa Ratelia. I am 47 years old. I was born on August 13, 1978. I am high school graduate. I am currently live in Tondo, Manila, Philippines. I am happy being a single parent, blessed with one child 17 years old. My hobbies are reading books, planting flowers, and playing with the kids. I was worked as a domestic helper in 3 countries: Brunei, Saudi Arabia, and Hong Kong. In Brunei, I was worked from 2011 until 2013. I have served 2 couples, cleaning around the house, washing clothes, and ironing. In Saudi Arabia, I was worked from 2015 until 2021. I have served 1 couple and 1 child 3 years old boy. My duties are cooking, cleaning around the house, washing clothes, taking care of the child, playing with the child, teaching, reading books, counting numbers, identify parts of the body, and identify different colors. In Hong Kong, I was worked from 2023 until 2025. I have served 1 couple and 1 child 5 years old girl. My duties are cleaning around the house, washing clothes, taking care of the child, playing with the child, teaching, writing, reading, and pronunciation. I want to work in abroad to provide a better future for my family and to gain more experience. I believe that working in another country will help me to improve my skills. To my future employer, please help me as your housemate because I am hardworking, patient, honest person, and humble. Mom and sir, I am promised to obey your rules and regulations inside your home. Looking forward to work with you. Thank you. God bless us all.